all about money. Major currencies. All around the world, different countries use different types of money. Many countries have their own money. This money is backed by the government and is usually called legal tender. Although there are many different types of money throughout the world, there are some major world currencies that are accepted or used in several different regions and countries. Top 16 strongest currencies in the world. Kuwaiti dinar. Kuwaiti dinar known as the strongest currency in the world. The Kuwaiti dinar or KWD was introduced in 1960 and was initially equivalent to 1 pound sterling. Bahrain dinar. The second strongest currency in the world is the Bahrain dinar or BHD. The Bahraini dinar is only used in Bahrain and is pegged against the US dollar. Omani Riyal. The Omani Riyal or OMR is the national currency of Oman. Unlike most conventional currencies, the Omani Riyal is split into 1,000 smaller divisions known as Baisa. Jordan Dinar. The national currency of Jordan is the Jordanian Dinar or JOD, which earned the position as the fourth strongest currency in the world today. Gibraltar Pound. The Gibraltar Pound or GIP is the national currency of Gibraltar and is exchangeable with the British Pound Sterling at face value. Pound Sterling. The Great British Pound, the Pound Sterling or the GBP is the sixth most valuable currency in the world. Although the GBP is not the strongest currency in the world, it does keep the title as the oldest currency still in circulation. Cayman Islands Dollar. The seventh most expensive currency in the world is the Cayman Islands Dollar or KYD, which is the national currency for the Cayman Islands. Euro. Euro is the official currency of 19 countries, which makes it the most widely used official currency in the world. Countries where it is used as an official currency include Germany, France, and Spain, and it is often known to be the world's second reserve currency. United States Dollar. The US dollar is the currency of United States and several other countries. It is the world's primary reserve currency and is held by most central banks and commercial banks globally. Swiss franc. The Swiss franc or CHF is the national currency of both Switzerland and Liechtenstein. Switzerland is one of the most stable and wealthy countries in the world. Brunei Dollar. Brunei Dollar or BND has been the currency for the Sultanate of Brunei since 1967. The Brunei Dollar is interchangeable with the Singapore Dollar at face value, and both currencies are legal tender in each country. Canadian Dollar. The Canadian Dollar or CAD is the currency of Canada and is one of the most popular currencies for central banks to hold as a foreign exchange reserves due to Canada's legal and political stability. The Australian Dollar. The Australian Dollar AUD is the national currency of Australia. It is also used by its external territories and some Pacific Island states, although it is extremely valuable and one of the most stable currencies on this list. Libyan Dinar. The national currency of Libya is known as Libyan Dinar or LYD in its abbreviated form. Interestingly, a single dinar is subdivided into 1000 dirham, unlike the sub-measurement of 100 that many other currencies follow. Singapore Dollar. The Singapore Dollar SGD is the official currency of Singapore. It is used in both Singapore and Brunei. The Singapore dollar is an expensive currency that is the 13th most traded currency on the foreign exchange market. New Zealand Dollar. The NZD New Zealand Dollar makes its right place on the strongest currency list at number 16. The strength of this currency has been rising, most likely caused by the nation's political stability, high interest rates, and GDP growth. Hope you all had an informative session. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.